Let's check out this 1300 watt steam cleaner from STEAMIFY. This is the box that it ships in. We'll open it up. We can see that right off the bat we've got the hose. We've got some cardboard packaging, just some plastic bags. That's nice. Not a lot of extraneous plastic in the packaging. This is the one of the 12-piece accessories for cleaning fabrics, countertops, things like that. Now you've got this window squeegee that clips on. It's got these prongs on the bottom and it clips into the top there to make it into a window washing tool. It's got almost 10 foot, it's like 9 foot something cord, 3-prong outlet, so you can definitely get to your situation that you're trying to clean. The cleaner itself holds almost 12 ounces, 11.8 ounces. Fill it up through the top here. You've got the swivel valve here. You've got a safety on the button so it doesn't accidentally get discharged. It fills up, or it heats up I should say, in 3 to 5 minutes. Of course, the hotter the water you put in it, the faster it's going to go. It comes with a nice size mixing or pouring cup, a couple of different covers for the squeegee there. It's got a bunch of different brushes, so if you're going to be using one with the barbecue and one with the vehicle and one in the bathroom, they can all be separate. It's got a cleaning spout as well as a funnel. It also has the small extension, so you can run it just as is. We've got some information from STEAMIFY in the box there as well. What I like is it's got the option to put this on, lock it into place, or use the hose, put it on, lock it into place, and now you can get that steam where you need it. The controls over here. This is their 1300 watt, 12.8 ounce model from STEAMIFY. I'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. I hope this helps.